Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to baptize another lily cultivar of mine. As you know, in the great tradition of Dutch plant breeding, baptizing a new cultivar is fundamental. This cultivar got the name of orange starfish because it looks like an orange starfish. Of course, starfishes have 5 legs, this one has 8 tepals. And this is an Aurelian hybrid. It has this beautiful dark stem and has lots of flowers. This is not a mature plant. It can go up to 2 meters and have up to 20 flowers on a stem. So I've got my Sovietskoye Igristoye champagne, and now let the baptizing commence. I name you Orange Starfish. Cheers. I am hoping to introduce this cultivar in the upcoming 4 to 5 years, and when I have stock to sell, I will notify you. Thank you very much for your attention today. See you next time. Goodbye.